How to remove filter from TikTok video on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in this video I'll simply guide you on how you can remove filters from TikTok videos on your iPhone. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove filters from TikTok videos on iPhone, first of all there are two types of things. One is filters and the other is effects. So now I'll just tap on the plus icon from the bottom, and then here you can see the effects tab. If I choose a specific effect and then I actually record a video, I can go ahead and then actually remove this effect if I want to. But then let's say that if you choose a filter, right, by default it's just going to tap on effects. If you want to remove it, what you can do is you can just tap on this little crossed out or this no parking sign icon right over here, and then all of the effects that you choose is going to be removed automatically. Now you can see there aren't any type of effects on my TikTok application, and I can go ahead and record a video if I want. Now other thing is, if you have chose a filter, so from the right hand side you can see the filters tab. If you choose a specific filter to record in right over here, as you can see, and then you want to remove this filter, well, the process is again the same. All you have to do is just tap on this little icon over here. You can always go ahead and then remove filters and effects from a TikTok video after you've recorded them, or maybe before you've recorded them as well. So hope this video cleared the confusion. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.